Hey everyone, Dale here. So today I'm going to show you how the fastest way that I found to cook bacon. And I know bacon is always a mess, and I know bacon is kind of a pain in the butt, it's always a mess. This is the fastest way I know to make bacon, cook bacon. So if you get yourself one of these Griddle by Cuisinart, they are such a great grill. I've already cooked some bacon on here. Now the thing is, you cook the bacon this side, but this always heats up too. So it's actually working better than a regular oven, that you're heating up the whole oven. You're actually searing both sides at the same time, because once you put the lid down, you're searing both at the same time. And you're getting really nice crispy bacon in about 3 to 4 minutes. So she's hot, ready to go. Boom. You can usually get about 5 strips across. Okay, so we got our bacon on there. We got it set at 350 onto griddle. You can also do it's a panini press as well, which is really cool. Then all the grease runs right off this little guy right into the bowl. Awesome, easy cleanup. These can be taken off, thrown in the dishwasher. You get a little bit of grease in the back, but just wipe it up after. You can put a piece of paper towel under it, and then you get nice crispy bacon. So let's put this down. Now it's cooking. Oops, it's cooking on the top and the bottom. So you're cooking the bacon really fast. So I'm going to set the timer here, and we'll check back in about 3-4 minutes and see what it looks like. This is a great little unit though, works great in a hotel. If you take this to a motel with you and turn on the exhaust fan near the bathroom and have it outside the bathroom, you know, it works awesome. You can do hamburgers, hot dogs, panini, anything on it. Really great grill. And gets things really crispy. I love the fact that all the things drips right into here. So I'll be back in a minute. We'll check it out. So we're going on about 4 minutes here. Let's see if it's crispy enough. Oh yeah, look at that, 4 minutes. That one could be done a little bit more, but these ones are nice and crisp. Look at that. So we could throw these on for a little bit longer, but they will crisp up once they harden anyway. Look at that. These ones are done. Wow, nice crispy bacon. So yeah, we could throw those back on for another half a minute. Look at the grease. Look at that grease. See, and the cleanup is fairly minimal. Just get rid of the grease, clean the grates, away you go. The other way I do it is in the oven with tin foil on a big sheet plate. But I find that this works pretty good, because once it's hot, you're heating from both sides. So you're going to be grilling from both sides. Same with cooking chicken. I can cook a raw chicken breast in here in about, from raw, not frozen, from raw, takes about less than 12 to, well, less than 14 minutes. I'm going to say 12 to 14 minutes to cook up chicken breast right through. Like hardly any time at all. Works great. So guys, I really love this brand, Griddle by Cuisinart. Check it out. It's awesome. And there's our bacon. Now she's done. And that took, well, a little over 5 if you want it crispier. So, awesome guys. Ciao for now. Enjoy your bacon.